What's up, guys? Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'm Adam Saxton, aka Guy in a Cube, and I've got another roundup for you, so let's dig right in. First up is a blog post from Sam Lester where he's got 12 Power BI dashboards for you in 12 days, just in time for Christmas. His 12th dashboard will actually be out tomorrow, but you can check out the other 11 dashboards where he looks at some data sources that are available, data sets that you can get inside of Power BI that aren't really focused on too much, but he takes a look at those to share some examples with you. So if you want to take a look at what he's put together and look at some interesting data, be sure to check out this blog post. Next up is a blog post from Ken Pulls where he looks at the new combined binary experience inside of Power BI Desktop. It gives you a little history of how it used to work and the fact that there were some limitations, specifically around headers. You couldn't use it with Excel files. And then he goes through the new experience, how it works, and how you can use it to really benefit your experience. So if you're trying to combine Excel files and you want to do that more easily inside of Power BI Desktop, be sure to check out this blog post to see the great tips that he has for you and shows you how it works. We got some love from analysis services inside of CTP 1.1 for SQL Server vNext that came out last week. And there were a lot of items that were part of this. I really encourage you to go look at this blog post and see all the items that came out. I can't cover them all in this video. One thing I do want to talk about is the new 1400 compatibility level. As part of the 1400 compatibility level for analysis services tabular models, you can actually use the new get data experience. This get data experience is very similar to the get data experience inside of Power BI Desktop. It does not have all of the data sources that Power BI Desktop has, but you'll be very familiar with what you see and how to use it. I think this is a great step for analysis services. I hope to see more data sources down the road eventually, but this is a great start and hopefully you'll really appreciate it and you can actually use M syntax for your get data pulls now. So be sure to check out the blog post. There's two blog posts that I've got listed here. One's for all of the features inside of CTP 1.1. The other blog post talks about the new get data experience, and Kion Croft goes through and talks all about it, how to upgrade to 1400 compatibility level, how to use the get data experience, and so on. Remember, you can get links for this story and other stories along with some bonus links down in the description below. On the reporting services side, Ricardo Muti goes into detail about the new Power BI report experience inside of reporting services. I know I've been getting a lot of questions on that, so be sure to check out this blog post for all the details. He talks about timelines. He talks about the fact that it's going to be part of the SQL Server vNext wave, and you can expect to see a production-ready version of this around mid-2017. So check out the blog post, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more info. The Power BI team held an Ask Me Anything session a while ago, and there's a blog post now with the 5 most popular questions as part of that AMA session. The topics were varied from word wrap to allowing you to model on a live connection to analysis services inside of Power BI Desktop to embedding in SharePoint and some other items as well. So be sure to check out this blog post and see if it answers any of the questions that you've had on Power BI. Okay, be sure to let me know what was your favorite item down in the comments below. And as I mentioned before, the links for everything are down in the description. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great content. And as always, thank you for watching and keep being awesome.